Alert module. The alert module can be used to store information that are considered as a warning call, alarm, or an important detail where attention needs to be provided for each visit. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patient list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the Alert module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Alert. Click on the Add icon here to enter the information. Here we can set the visibility for the confidentiality of this particular data added here. Here we have three options. One set on everyone, so everyone under this particular administrator account, including all the doctors and the users, can view this particular information. One set on doctors. Only the doctors under this particular account can view this information. One set on only to me. Only this particular user who had created this information can view this data in the future. Click on Save to save this information. Multiple alerts can be saved for the same health record. You can navigate to a new health record and this data will be visible in the new EHR and in all future health records for this patient. To delete an already saved alert information, select the alert detail and click on the trash icon. If you prefer to edit an already saved information, click on the edit icon. Make the required changes and click on Save.